This is a fleur-de-lis suite, the smallest of my suites. There is a desk, as I have in every room, TV with cable and free Wi-Fi. There is a queen-size bed, an armoire for hanging clothes, and it's been decorated heavily in the French style, and that's where I came up with the name fleur-de-lis. And you see a lot of fleur-de-lis in here. There are the 2 nightstands and a vanity area. Being the smallest suite, it also has the smallest bathroom. So this gives you an area to finish getting ready, do your hair, whatever, if the bathroom is occupied. And this cabinet has room for your folding clothing should you decide to unpack. Most people don't. The bathroom has a pedestal sink, and then a mirror and a shelf, and more shelving for wash rags, soaps, and the necessities, and a place for you to put your items. And a bathroom wouldn't be complete without a toilet. And it does have its own shower. But this is a tight bathroom. This suite, being the smallest suite, is better suited for a shorter stay because there is not a lot of room for a lot of luggage. I do have a luggage rack and a gentleman's butler to hang jackets, that type of thing, coats. And again, this is the fleur-de-lis suite.